Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So the Kcet document verification schedule has been announced, and the dates are the Kcet document verification is starting on 27th June and it will end on 15th July. So there are three batches created. So one batch is from 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Second batch is 11:15 a.m. to 1:15 a.m. p.m. and the third batch is afternoon after 2 p.m. So according to your batch, according to your rank, you can go for the Kcet document verification. And particularly this Kcet document verification is for class A students, the students who belong to class A. So class A generally means the students who have studied for a minimum years of 7 years. It might be from first to 10th standard, it might be from first to 12th standard. So for those students who belong to class A, have to go for the Kcet document verification from 27th June to 15th July. And the students who belong to the other clauses like clause B, C, D, E, they should go for offline verification at the KE office Bangalore. So this is a short update of your Kcet document verification. See you in the next video. Then keep learning, keep practicing.